Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Hello. Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello. How are you guys? How's your morning? How was your PM session yesterday? Because it was interesting. Interesting run yesterday, right? Hello, guys. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Well, interesting market today. I hope it's not going to be seek and destroy, but probably it will. If it's going to be seek and destroy, probably no trade, but we will see. So we have, as you can see, highlighted 15-minute fair value gap, untapped fair value gap. And that's interesting to see how US failed to take equilibrium Friday range yesterday. Give me 1 second. CL. Just going to open different windows to keep my eyes on different instruments because I checked today CL, gold, silver, kind of no interest in any. For some magical reason. Just for now. Because I feel like back on QNES, if we might expect 15-minute fair value gap, we should sell. We should sell to 50% of monthly wick right here, which lines up with weekly open on ES. And I would like to see Asia low taken, same 50% of monthly wick lower. Kind of. Overall, seems like if I want to open forward chart, kind of seems like part of market maker style model still, right? Yeah, we took liquidity level right here, but I don't see any invalidation of market maker style model. I cannot see any signs of smart money reversal yet. So we will see how it goes. Right now, my eyes on this 15-minute fair value gap. Interesting what will happen with this. Talking about liquidity levels, nothing significant happens though. This 6 a.m. candle is going to be interesting, which makes sense to wait for 10. Sweep, I don't know, we will see if it's going to be sweep. Just flower chart tells me like nothing right now. Long, short, nothing, like no real bias. On 1 hour chart, what we have. So hourly fair value gap lines up with 15-minute fair value gap, both ES and Q above New York midnight open. So Asia low looks interesting to me. We have SMT at lows, at highs, so that's even more tricky right now to trust what I want to trust. I don't know. Below Asia low, we have 1 hour order block, and right below order block, we have 50% of monthly wick. 50% of monthly wick higher than the 1 hour order block. So let's see how it goes. Bit lower. Okay, let's see how it goes. Test of monthly open so far. Once again, no deal bias for today because I don't like this SMT right now. Also tricky if I want to open daily chart. NQ tested daily fair value gap and ES failed. Now the question if ES really wants to take this level because bottom of daily fair value gap is equilibrium Friday range. So let's see how it goes. Let's see, guys, how it goes. Daily looks interesting as well. We got sweep right here and right here on ES only so far. Cannot say like we got sweep on NQ. Right. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Hello, good morning. Now it's very important to see the action from 15-minute fair value gap or 1 hour fair value gap because that's going to be key. Once again, not going to promise a trade because if it's going to be secondary story, I simply trying to avoid taking trades in secondary story, but I hope to get something. CL looks so tricky right now. So I was like, maybe I want to trade CL, but looking at this chart, nothing tells me like, oh my God, short me right now. No, not really. Not yet. Continuation higher, still need to wait for the closure to see how it goes. 10 a.m. Here's Euro. I was kind of more bearish until it's stuck on consolidation. Also, what I can see right now as potential invalidation, potential sweep on 9 a.m. candle. So probably 10 a.m. can be reversal of this potential setup that I was looking for. So right here, not really confident if I may drop that low right now because I saw this 30-minute candle. I saw this hourly candle. Like 50-50 on this. Gold looks interesting as well. Very important question for us, how we can close at 10 a.m. Because right now, since we got 4-hour sweep, it was in consolidation. So I cannot say for sure I would like to, for example, long or short. Nothing tells me right now. It's so annoying because I was like, if NQ is going to be secondary store, I'm going to like check different markets. And different markets trying to tell me like, not today, not today. Well, if not today, then not today. So I highlighted this sweep. Look at this 4-hour chart on silver. Just tells me a lot. Absolutely amazing 4-hour chart. Consolidation, so. Let's see how it goes. CL looks good to short? Or what do you mean? Because I cannot see like short right here yet. Definitely looks more bullish, in my humble opinion. When I saw the failure to close below this level, like obviously it's not break of structure or something like this. Like nothing right now to short CL. 15-minute chart. Yeah, basically we got sip on both sides, but I would say if CL may hold this 15-minute fair value gap, should break above this high right here. Probably will go even higher. Yeah, kind of more bullish on CL right now than bearish. Very important to stay above this fair value gap. So we got 15-minute change in the state of delivery. Very important once again. Because if we retrace right at the open, somewhere right here, to detail this order block, but stay by 50% of the 15-minute fair value gap, I would like to see something like this. This is just for now. We'll keep you updated, so. NQ trying to respect hourly fair value gap, as you can see. Let me, by the way, I guess highlight this hourly fair value gap. Just going to rename. 1 hour FAG. And exactly the same fair value gap right here. So far we're just trying to respect this 1 hour fair value gap. Let's see. Switching on 5-minute chart. Trying to respect 50%. We got institutional order flow entry on NQ. Let's see. I like this reaction. I would say, since I don't have like strong bias for today, but as long as we stay below hourly fair value gap, I would like to see break below Asia low. Probably 1 hour order block. As long as we stay below hourly fair value. On ES, I would like to see also move lower. Yeah, this hourly fair value gap, bearish fair value gap, and 15-minute bearish fair value gap are my key points for today. Also, what I can see so far, Boom, another SMT, like. Well, let's see. Market is open. Yeah, I see this. I see this, guys. Let's see. Need to make this a bit like more bright. Well, I'm sorry, guys. We just got new 30-minute candle. Going to highlight this 3-minute order block. Since it's 3-minute order block. Exactly same right here. Three-minute order block right here and right here. So this 3-minute order block is going to be resistance, in my opinion. Above this level, absolutely zero, probably zero interest in shorting, at least before 10. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's be patient. Try to be patient, guys. Okay. Let's trace back to New York midnight open on both yes and Q so far. Trying to respect. We got another SMT. Lots of SMTs, which is beautiful, beautiful. That's why I said probably that's going to be seek and destroy. So I don't have bias for today, so you're good, don't worry. You're good, don't worry. We got millions different SMTs. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Work above the stream and order block. Where I said it's going to be a resistance from me, so I'm going to wait more, so nothing tells me right now to trade. Yes, also needs to break above the 3-minute order block. Made an action from 2-minute inversion. Okay, well. From 820, right? We're trying to respect the 3-minute order block on ES right now. That's kind of strange. Why NQ decided to break above this level? Well, let's check hourly chart. We did chase to this hourly fair value gap. Well, again. And looks interesting because with this move up right here, yes, that's 50%. With this move up right here, it failed on NQ, but right now we tested 50% as well. Well. Since he is trying to support the 3-minute order block, I will stay with my bias probably. I mean lower. Yes, NQ invalidated this order block, but since he is trying to respect this level, no invalidation yet. I want to be, I want to be yes and Q to see yes and Q and sync. It's not yet. Millions different SMTs so far. My favorite. My favorite. Okay, let me check different instruments. Maybe something changed. Gold. So the ugly 5 minutes fair value gap right here. Too small. Okay, still nothing. Okay, trying to sell off, which is exactly what I wanted to see. Let's see if I may take Asia low. You know what, which is funny? My weekly draw, which I highlighted on Sunday, was September low. I was like, September low is going to be my key level for this week. But I would say if it may continue going lower, probably it will be 50% of weekly week. Because right now, like at this specific second, hard to say which is my weekly target. Let's see. Hello guys. So far, it looks like it's going to be seek and destroy, as I said before. Yeah. Once again, as I said before, if ES may stay below 3-minute order block, which I highlighted right here, yes, I will consider move lower on both ES and NQ to take Asia low on NQ. It's so tricky opening right now. Where is first presented for us? Didn't have any, right? Didn't have any first presented yet. Which is not good right now, probably. I'm not going to lie. I'm more bearish right at this specific moment. To take Asia low. I like how ES respected 3-minute order block while NQ failed. It wasn't in sync, which makes sense to me to continue going lower. But looks... just dropped 15 points already on ES. Not going to lie, it was amazing move on ES. Just absolutely amazing. Just a bit disappointed that NQ failed to take to hold this 3-minute order block. It's not bad, just... it is what it is, so... not chase yet. I didn't want to be done before market open, but when I saw like chart on the silver, which was 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart, I was like, nothing right here. So sad. When I saw chart on gold, I was like, maybe we will go higher. I saw this hourly sweep right here, as you can see. We traced down to 5-minute fair value gap, which is not perfect example of 5-minute fair value gap right here, too long, right? So, like also as well as on silver, no interest in trading right now. On euro, I was interested in this move down, then start consolidating after we respected 5-minute fair value gap. I was like, okay, well, nothing. And on CL, maybe something like this, which I only like so far. CL, nothing more, like NQ, euro, gold, silver, like no interest, but maybe something like this on CL. Not in sync right now, NQ and ES. Okay, trying to be patient right now. Don't want to make stupid mistakes. Checking right now SPX to see what is going on there. We entered this hourly fair value gap, going to delete some levels. We entered this hourly fair value gap. Took by side liquidity. Price respected this level. Offered pretty much big, not that big, RTH gap. I'm going to highlight this RTH gap. Extend. So let's see what will happen here, because so far we respected 25% this week right here. Next key level, if it wants to continue going higher on SPX, will be 50% of this RTH gap. Yeah, let's see. Sell side right here, and we got pretty much equal lows right here, which were taken. So on SPX, what I can see, trying to respect equal lows right here, and next level for potential move up is going to be 50% of this gap right here, RTH gap right here, which actually, like, just thinking about this gap, may push ES and NQ higher, you know? Just continue analysis on SPX, maybe I'm fine to see slightly higher on ES and NQ at this point. Equal lows taken, 25% of RTH gap tested, next level 50%, which is 10.08 currently. Going to sit in the word. A bit lower because let's see. Oh yeah, look at the S&Q. We got move higher after SPX took equal lows. Just right now. Still no bias, like clear bias right now. Let me see if we still don't have first presented fair value gap, guys. That's not good sign. Not good sign. Let's see. I'm going to wait for 10. Interesting how we're trying to just pick this 5-minute fair value gap. We just I cannot say like it's a bad fair value gap, just too small. Didn't trade this kind of fair value gap on gold yet. One more test of 3-minute order block only. Yes, we cannot break this level. It's impossible to long this. This trade, it doesn't want to break above 3-minute order block, which supports this 30-minute sweep. 30-minute sweep, right? Right here. We got 30-minute sweep. It was before, but it's not yet. On NQ. So once again, 3-minute order block trying to hold. Let's see. From what I can see so far, not really tradable for me. Unfortunately, cannot find any other setups on different markets. Which is annoying. Annoying. So annoying. So annoying. GM. Keep going higher. Silver. Nothing interesting. Okay, keep sitting on my hands right now. Yeah, trying to stay away right now. We got lots of different SMTs. I would say 0 SMT work today. So be careful, guys. If you consider any trade, just be careful. Maybe trade with smaller size. That can be smart. Look at this price action on NQ right now. Once again, I cannot say that's not tradable, but hard for me to trade right now. Look for any setup. Yeah, waiting for 10 a.m. Maybe Silver Bullet will offer something. If not, then, well, we always have tomorrow. It's only 9:45. So far, nothing happened for 15 minutes. Just move up and down several times. Hello, hello. Here's the Gata loss. You traded in Q. It wasn't tradable. I mean, what did you use to trade this? Yeah, not huge loss, but gold. From what I saw on gold, we got hourly sweep, sell side, and we traced to 5-minute fair value gap, which was like really small, but we respected it. So could be better, agree. Right now, what I try to see right now, how we continue holding this 3-minute order block on ES. That's bad year for us for now to push us higher. Yes, we have news at 10, guys. Be careful. Wait for 10. After 10, it should offer some good setups. I believe. I hope. Need my signal. I'll see nothing right now, but I'll share once I see something. Don't worry. I would say the only issue with gold and silver right now is for our chart. Not perfect. And problem on NQ and ES, not on ES, on NQ. We don't have any first presented, right? But we do have this on ES finally. Small, but that's first presented. Finally, we have one. By the way, no, this one. Never mind, it was right here. Where is inverted? Let's see if ES can break above the $3 million block, which will support IZ on SPX to push us to 50% of our TH gap. Yeah, still nothing on NQ. Crazy. CL just went without us. No more interest in CL. Ridiculous. Wow, finally we broke above the $3 million order block. Oops, I'm sorry, guys. Okay, finally we broke above $3 million order block. First in validation. Trying to be patient right now. Not trade yet, at all. At all. So right now we tested 15-minute untapped fair value gap, going to move this slightly higher. $9.45 news, okay. Well, okay, perfect, amazing. Okay. See how balanced this chart right here. That's crazy. That's crazy. Do you have first presented? We have it finally. Okay. Oh yeah, at least something happened. We have first presented. Just took 20 minutes to form this. Interesting difference, right? How far first presented on ES and how close right now we have first presented on NQ. Still trying to be patient. Still cannot say I like any trades right now. Two-minute chart. So let's see how we can respect first presented right here. We are inside 15-minute fair value gap on both ES and Q. First presented, trying to respect this. Normally we have good reaction from first presented, but since inside 15-minute breakaway gap, yeah, it's a bit tricky right now. I'm not saying like I don't want to see higher, since we already broke above 3-minute order block on ES, but let's see. I'm going to change the color. Just, oh, by the way, I forgot to highlight previous day high level. Thank you for reminding me. Oh, this lines up with equilibrium Friday range. Well, we took a previous day high level on NQ already. Yeah. Let's see. You want to see previous day high level? Well, maybe it makes sense, but preferable to see this above 15-minute fair value gap. Again, I'm not going to lie. Maybe I will be happy to miss opportunity, but if I want to long, I will long if may see 15-minute inversion right here. I'm fine to miss this opportunity, probably. Not probably, pretty much confident I'm fine to miss opportunity from first presented. But if you don't have 15-minute inversion, which we don't have right now, I will stay away. Totally fine with this. No FOMO. Trying to trust my analysis. If this breakaway gap is going to be inverted, then yes. Amazing, perfect, let's try to look for long opportunity. I'm fine to miss this. I'm just fine once again. Still trying to hold first presented. The test of monthly open so far. Just not going to lie. As long as I set 1 hour 15-minute fair value gap, I will stay away from longs. No matter how good it looks right now, just like screaming Dasha, try to long. I just looking at 15 minutes, I don't really want to long from this at this 15-minute fair value gap. But once again, I'm not saying like it's not possible to see move higher, but what happened right here? We tested breaker block. Just this is my opinion. Can be wrong, totally wrong, but look how we're trying to respect 15-minute fair value gap, breaker block. Yeah. No FOMO, like totally fine to miss this if I'm wrong. This blue box, guys, if you just joined this 15-minute breaker. I'm just trying to, I'm trying to be patient. No matter what will happen, just trying to be patient and trust my analysis. Yeah, I don't really like gold and silver right now. Why every single market that I would like to see, like normal, like silver, gold, CL was nice, okay. Like euro and cube and yes. Just the same day looks ugly to me. What's wrong with this? Not 10, not yet. 6 minutes left. Okay, going to jump between time frames right now to see what is going on there. What is going on there? Nothing. Well, amazing. Well, it wasn't only 15-minute breaker block. We also got 3-minute order block right here. Well, once again, guys, I'm not trying to stop you from taking longs. I just said doesn't really make sense to me. I can be wrong. Just don't blindly trust me. If you're trying to long and see like A plus setup, take it. I just don't want to be like the person who stop you from maybe winning trade. I don't know, maybe winning trade. It isn't how trying to respect 3 PD rays on high time frame. Makes me feel like if I see 3 bearish PD rays and we cannot invalidate them, I'm fine to be wrong, but I will stay away. If I can stay away, I will do this. This one, right? Yeah. I just, once again, yeah, we got first presented for value gap, but I saw someone yesterday on Twitter that was trying to argue about 1 minute chart. And yes, I'm going to say this again. If you see like strong trend and you're trying to trade 1 minute chart as confirmation of your reversal, that's not, in my opinion, that's not smart. Never trust 1 minute chart when you're trying to trade high time frame trend. That's my opinion, and I'm going to stay with this opinion. 1 minute chart will never, I mean, if it worked once, maybe 2 times, it doesn't mean it will work every single time. Just if you're trying to look for confirmation of smart money reversal, don't trust 1 minute chart. Find something on medium time frame at least. Yes, for entries, that's fine. But if you cannot, for example, confirm and just tell me, okay, I use this 1 minute for a value gap, order block, what else? Inversion, breaker block, without context, for example, on medium time frame, just don't tell me this. Simply because I want it, I backtest this. So, okay, that's, well. Yeah, normally when you see like, for example, I like how trade Jade Cup because that's absolutely amazing guy in my opinion. I like how he use like entries on lower time frame, but he use confirmation, for example, on high time frame. He trades 1 hour chart mostly, and yeah, he can execute on lower time frame, but his entry based on 1 hour chart most of the time. That's absolutely amazing. When people just trying to trade on 1 minute chart without any context, for example, on high time frame, I'm like, red flag. Hello. Okay, just looking for our chart. My opinion. So we got reaction from September low. That's brilliant, amazing. But if you go on daily chart right now, first, we're respecting daily fair value gap. Yeah, that's small reaction so far. Yes, did not take this level. Switching on for our chart. I cannot say right now I'm ready to look for smart money reversal for our chart. Just nothing tells me right now yet. I would like to see solid uptrend, at least break of structure right here, which failed, by the way. See this? So just right now, at least I need to have break of structure right here. And yes, maybe at this point we can continue going higher. We have daily breaker block higher, equilibrium Friday range. But just right now, if you want to ask me all-time high is coming, probably not. Still feels like we inside market maker sell model on high time frame. And also this morning I tested. I look at monthly candle right here. See this huge expansion right here? Yes, failure to close right here. So far it's a sweep. But just monthly chart doesn't tell me just at this specific moment, oh my god, it's time for all-time high, because it's not. What just on monthly chart? What trying to tell you it's about to reverse? Absolutely nothing. Weekly chart. I cannot be bullish at all. Because on high time frame, absolutely nothing tells me like, okay, it's time for reversal. It's not time yet, at least for now. On high time frame. I'm not saying like lower time medium time frame cannot offer long, because it can. It can offer, for example, medium time frame long, where equilibrium Friday range. What else do we have? Maybe previous week high level, which is right here, Friday high. But just right now, I cannot say for sure, okay, I am about to long. This forward chart also just trying to tell me nothing. That's why I said like, pretty much, what happened? What happened? We have news at 10. It's 10? Oh, it's 10, guys. We have news at 10. And just switching off our chart, it failed to offer break of structure. It offered sweep. At this point, I'm not saying like it can just pump, but if it wants to go higher, maybe it will go like 100 points higher. But it will not be part of my market maker buy model, in my humble opinion. It's still just going to be the retracement after huge drop, for example. But once again, just right now, nothing tells me. That's why I'm just trying to be careful with longs, because just right now, what I see, every single bullish PDR and high time frame so far trying to be invalidated. As I said, looks like it's going to be seek and destroy. Yeah, we have news at 10. Don't worry. I hope you weren't in trade, because be careful with trading the news. Not always good, right? Not always good to do this. See how we invalidated this first presented, and that's okay. We got a rejection from 1 hour order block. You mean on bearish order block? Let me see. Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. Asia low is coming, as we wanted before. Basically, we got unicorn on 15-minute chart, 15-minute breaker, 15-minute fair value gap, 3-minute order block, inversion first presented. I'm going to stay with my bias, as mentioned before. What is your number one prop firm? Good question. I would say I don't have one, but from my personal experience, I like Epix, My Funded Futures, Tradify, Topstep, and Take Profit Trader. So these prop firms that I personally trade and can recommend. I don't want to recommend prop firms that I don't trade personally. For example, today, if I'm going to execute, I have a plan to execute Take Profit Trader. That's my plan for today. Let's see how it goes, if we get any setups, but I had the plan to trade Take Profit Trader today. You want to go higher. Let's see. I'm not going to stop you from taking long, or I'm not going to stop you myself from taking long if it wants to offer opportunity. Everything is possible, so yeah, let's see. Let's see, guys. No trades at all. 0 trades taken. I was looking for different markets, for different trades in different markets. Nothing so far, so. To get hit? Okay, we will see. Just I didn't really like this 1-minute chart, honestly. I would say 3-minute chart wasn't bad as well. See how we respect the 3-minute order block, breaker, fair value gap. Wasn't like crystal clear right here, but wasn't bad as well. Like 50-50. But I feel like maybe I'm wrong. But if I take Asia low on NQ, that'll be good. Just need to have some sort of structure for this. Because, guys, I already said it before, I'm good in shorting the market, and I hope it's going to offer good short opportunity for me. Not this kind of price action, but something like good A plus for short. I'm going to give it a time, so not going to give up early. Jumping between different time frames. Well, nothing I like. So this clock was broken for some reason. It was, it was like my personal code for OBS. It stopped working for some magical reason. We'll try to use different one probably. Sorry guys, no time right now. I will try to add a new one, but sorry guys, what I have so far is broken indicator for OBS. By the way, today I decided to switch from OBS to Streamlabs. I don't know why, just to try. Let's see how it goes. I like how it's trying to drop. Maybe Asia Low will be taken. Maybe. Probably. I hope so. That's why it's very important to stay with your analysis. Trust your analysis and just consider high time frame. No matter what 1 minute chart is trying to tell me, like if high time frame doesn't want to support this, if it looks perfect, amazing, A plus millions plus setups on 1 minute chart, it's going to be invalidated. If you can avoid taking losses, consider high time frame. If you want to avoid taking losses, consider high time frame before entering on 1 minute chart. Sometimes, not sometimes, highly recommend to start your analysis if you want to execute on 1 minute chart from medium time frame. For example, 1 hour, which probably even like high time frame, 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart is medium time frame. If you can see, for example, opportunity to short based on 15-minute chart, yes, you're free to go on 1 minute chart to find entry. But if your 15-minute chart just screaming like, come on, it's short, and you're trying to long on 1 minute chart, it's loss by default. Unfortunately. So, yeah, we inverted first presented. We did trace to this first presented fair value gap. Inversion first presented fair value gap. We did traced. Move down. Amazing. Barely touches breaker block, but look at this reaction. It's not perfect unicorn on 15-minute chart, but it wasn't bad. A bit choppy so far, anyway. Okay, just trying to build a new plan for me. Okay, what I want to see, let me think about this. There's the name open. Kind of consolidation right here. Yeah, maybe we will trace back up to this range right here. We got order block as well. But if it may stay below monthly open, would like to see continuation lower to this 1 hour order block. You know, in my opinion, it can be the gain from one order block to another order block, opposite one. So I would say not like perfect plan right now, but if we trace back to this range and stay inside this range below monthly open, we might look for something to short again. To break below Asia low, and continue lower to 1 hour order block. What is OGR? Probably you want to ask ORG, opening range gap. Let's see. Yeah, it actually can continue going lower just without me, but we will see. Can you see CL? Of course. So we just traced to this 15-minute order block. The only issue right now, since we already took this buy side liquidity level, I have no interest in this anymore. But you want to see there. My plan was retracement to this order block, move to the buy side liquidity. Right now, absolutely nothing. But I like on CL. Yeah, Asia low, first TP. I feel like ICT shorted from first presented fair value gap 101%. Told you. So looking for this range, honestly. Which was original plan. Between Asia low and 1 hour order block. Since we trying to respect 1 hour bearish OB, normally expect to get moved down to bullish OB. I'm not aiming for previous day low level, just right. I'm looking for conservative levels 100% of the time. So it's very important zone right here. Cannot say like that's long zone, right? But I'm looking for this zone, and yes, if something can happen on 5-minute chart, your annual will be to previous day low level. Okay, good luck. Good luck. Equilibrium previous day range. Well, let's see. That's actually interesting because 1 hour order block sitting at 50% of previous day range. Previous week low level lines up with previous day range on on yes. Yes, you're right. These pink box, purple box is my key area. Yes, with previous week low level, exactly. It must take casual. Must take it. Yes, it must take it. I can actually talk about first presented fair value gap a bit later today. It's about to diff equal lows right here. It's not about to search the left as equal lows lower. And you got. Can you please offer us perfect short opportunity today? You cannot say this? See this equal lows right here? Right above Asia low. Hit not my okay. Both yes and Q failed to take my important levels. It reached your level, but I still feel like we have room to go lower from yesterday. Okay. Already equal lows. Exactly, yes. Same on yes, by the way. And right below this equal lows, we have equilibrium of previous range. We have Asia low. she said, must. It will take it. Exactly. I'm kidding. Trying to have some fun, you know? Trying to have some fun. If you don't mind, I'm going to delete this. What level was right here? Do I need this? Yes, I need this. Water block right here. JK block. There is no fun in trading. Come on. Of course we have some fun. Trading is boring. Equal loss on weekly. Yeah. Equal loss taken on Q. Propulsion block right here. I forgot to highlight this. Playing games. Yeah, I see this. The market is a scam. Target area is just conservative area. Yeah, approaching this equilibrium of previous range so far. Okay, what I can see so far on gold, we got hourly sweep right here. I'm looking if we made a trace to this 5-minute fair value gap on gold. On gold, looking for the trace into this 5-minute fair value gap. I'm going to set alert. Next level on ES is going to be 50% of monthly week, which is 55.89.25. It wasn't like it was amazing trade. Okay, we're inside target area. This move right here happened from 1 hour order block. Move down to 1 hour order block right here will be nice to see. And next level below 1 hour order block is going to be 50% of monthly week on both ES and NQ. Also interesting to see how NQ is already below new week opening gap, while ES is above new week opening gap. Like inside, you know. So the reaction so far from equilibrium of previous range on ES, Asia low on NQ. Honestly amazing. Nice reaction. Offered 1 minute order block. Anyway. Even if this price action wasn't perfect for me personally, the delivery was amazing. Exactly where we discussed before. SPX, by the way, look how SPX perfectly reversed from 50% and 75% of RTH gap. Nice. And 956, give me 1 second, 956 is right here. I'm trying to stay, once again, my bias was down to Asia low. Did not really consider reversal. Not ready to talk about reversal, maybe retracement right now, but does not ready to talk about reversal. Not ready to talk about long yet. I'm going to highlight some fair value gaps from tight fair value gap. We got order block right here. I'm ready to talk about retracement, but not reversal yet. Where's the name open? Right here, right? Okay, monthly open. So I'm ready to talk about once again retracement up, maybe back to monthly open, which lines up with 10 AM open. Maybe something like this, but once again, not ready to talk about like huge reversal yet. Like maybe 10 AM open retest. That's it. Let's see. This in chart right here. Was the OT of this range right here. We got equal lows. Once again, lots of different equal lows. It's equal highs in reality. I'm just trying to think in terms of better setup if I want to invert this chart. Maybe retracement, then possibly we will run lower, which is higher. So this equal lows, which is equal highs. I don't know, guys. It's only me. Or guys, you can see market to sell way better than long. See how different charts right now. Like it's bullish. I mean, potential bullish reversal, there's potential bearish reversal, and like, well, the test of New York midnight open so far. I don't know why. I don't know how it works. I don't know how it works. It's always so interesting. Does it reverse? I have no idea, honestly. But anyway, once again, I'm not ready to talk about reversal to upside. Maybe retracement, but not reversal. If you pay attention, we retrace to this 5-minute breaker block. There's my different charts. Boom, 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 boom. Right here, I found it. I will talk about reversal once it offers a structure on 5-minute chart, at least changing the state of derivatives, and yes. Back to monthly open, which is 10 AM open. But just at this specific moment, don't want to say reversal because it doesn't look like this yet. Just doesn't look like this. A reversal, not really. A retracement, maybe. Once again, depends what you like trying to aim for right now. I'm not long. There's no interest in longs overall. If you see long opportunity based on any time frame, enter. Just I'm waiting for 5-minute confirmation. Then I will try. Yeah, today is April 1st, by the way. What market wants to do us? If market trying to show us Any bullish signs? This means we need to short this? I don't know. Yeah, so far, if you just go like this, we're just trying to respect 1 hour, 1 minute breaker block, changing the state of delivery. Price took this equal lows right here. See this equal lows, which is equal highs we discussed before. But once again, I'm not sure to say once again that's reversal. If it wants to, for example, retrace lower, which is higher, it will be monthly open. Right here, lines up with 10 a.m. open. So this New York midnight open is lines up with equal highs right here. We just took them right here. Pretty much equal highs, okay. What about gold? Do we have any? Actually, we have SMT. Once again, still considering if we made a trade to this 5-minute fair value gap right here. And then I'll try to act accordingly. Nothing I like so far. Not going to lie, I'm so happy. I decided to stay away from this market. This short was amazing, like from 15 on breaker block, fair value gap, 2-minute order block, 1-minute order block. But that's pretty much it. You took a loss trying to long from first presented, right? That's because you don't want to look at high time frame. That's why. Happens with 99% of traders. Happens a lot. So far, still trying to respect this equal lows, equal highs, not equal lows, equal highs. Today was a day when I decided to take profit trader, and they said like, not today. Yeah, I'm totally fine to miss a day. To have the day without trades. Totally fine with this. I'm not like trying to chase for trades every single day to have 5 trades a day or something like this. I don't need this. one solid trade and I'm done for today, for example. Just if I see like market conditions, for example, like I saw this morning was like, could be better. I'm fine to miss like overall day. Maybe PM. Slowly going to this monthly open. Monthly open is 10 a.m. open once again. That's only levels I'm looking right now. I'm not looking for any other levels. Oh, I'm not looking for short. As you can see, target area was right here and we hit this. Like, I don't have any targets lower. I mean, maybe 50% of monthly week, but for today I was looking for this area right here. For example, let's say I want to enter off not 1 minute break your block and 1 minute change in the state of delivery. For example, I highlighted this 2 minute inversion right here. See, it was pretty much small inversion. It was tricky inversion. I was like, not what I like. Target area box is range between Asia low and 1 hour order block. Right here. That's it. Simple as that. So basically the range where you want to see potential reversal or not reversal, retracement. So not trades today. Not going to lie about this. Looking for monthly open as 10 a.m. 10 a.m. open for our open 10 a.m. test. Like this one. That's what I was looking for only. That's it. Wasn't looking for higher. So I mean, this is my retracement level. If it wants to break above this high, well, I mean that's amazing. I wasn't looking for this move right here, higher. Just right here, this move. Still going higher. Okay. One order block, of course. This body right here. Look how, by the way, not this one, money chart. Look how perfect reaction from equilibrium of previous range was on ES. Amazing. So far, we cannot close above weekly, monthly open, 10 a.m. open. So we got 3-minute order block right here. Oh no, Tanya took 2 losses. Unfortunate. I'm so sorry to see this. What trade did she take? Oh, so sad. But this market was like, could be better, you know. Well, overall, like, it wasn't bad on both ES and in Q. Okay, what time is this? I'm going to sit 15 more minutes. Not even disappointed, like, yesterday was a nice day for me. Maybe PM. Maybe PM will offer something. If not, then well, not today. Yeah, by the way, Tanya today invited me on April's team together, so it's probably going to be this month. It was a day like today, she invited me. Okay, 5-minute fair value gap right here. I hate to predict, I hate to predict price action. I don't know what will happen tomorrow. At least I have no idea. I don't have any point of view on this. Nothing. Twin models. Okay, well. Short tomorrow. If Tuesday wants to be high of the week, which is probably not going to be. Actually, yeah. Where is Sunday? Where is Monday high? Maybe that's fine to see Tuesday high of the week. Then actually we can drop tomorrow. Yeah, maybe. Nice move up, honestly. But once again, I was looking for monthly open only. I'm going to highlight daily fair value gap because if it wants to pump, I guess yes, trying to aim for daily fair value gap, which was missed yesterday. Today, not yesterday. It was today. So yeah, if not for next 10 minutes, we'll try tomorrow. But I would say for inside day, this price action wasn't bad overall, like overall. Yeah, maybe PM will offer something. If nothing today, then always have tomorrow. I'm not going to be disappointed. It is what it is. So I'm going to sit right here 10 more minutes. Maybe something will happen. If not, then not. That's fine. Oops. It's left 5 minutes untapped. Maybe it will retrace right now to 5 minute fair value gap. It may continue going higher. $15-minute chart. Let me hide drawings. At least we have inversion right now. Perfect. It's about actually offer change in the state of delivery. Yeah, the retracement down to 5-minute fair value gap. Yeah, 5-minute fair value gap lower. Yeah, let's see if we get retracement. If we get retracement to 5-minute fair value gap. This one fair value gap from 10.35. Not big retracement. But interesting, like move down, then quick move up. That's crazy. So once again, looking for something like this, just for retracement. Not even to trade against the trend. So yeah, TradingView, by the way, offering 40% off for new users. If you don't have any TradingView account, you can get 40% off on evaluation. Or if you like user already with TradingView, you can get 30% off. That's a great deal in my opinion. For example, I have I want to trade take profit trader today. I got 150k accounts, 150k just to try because normally I trade 50k accounts. 30% off with no activation fee. Like why not try? Right? Going to highlight this 5-minute free value gap, but once again, if nothing's going to be presented well, we'll try tomorrow. Yeah, this week I'm going to give away TradingView account. Yes, this week. It's going to be this week. Trying to see what happened with this move down. Basically, we just took short-term low right here. That's pretty much it. Guys, don't overtrade. Don't try to pick the top. Something like this. It's already went without you. If you, for example, miss a trade right here. Try tomorrow. Try PM session. No reason right now to find entry. By the way, Apex, I guess, extended 80% off deal, right? I don't see any updates, but today it was still 80% off. So just in case they forgot to cancel this deal, you still can get 80% off on Apex. I don't know how this happened, but this happened. You're not going to. It's a scam. We will see. Okay. Didn't want to test a 5-minute fair value gap. I might try to trade PM session, maybe lunch. But just for now, I don't want to chase something, no FOMO. Tomorrow. maybe PM, but tomorrow, guys. Don't worry. So I'm going to be done. Yes, I'm going to be done for this IM session stream, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Overall, like, delivery wasn't bad. Maybe it wasn't like A+++ setups, but today wasn't bad. We'll try tomorrow. Again. Okay, guys, if any important questions, you can ask. Yeah, tomorrow, guys. Don't worry. Not going to, be disappointed with something like, okay, going to journal right now, just going to take screenshot, note every single price action, what happened right here, with this move down, with this move up, and that's okay. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Don't make stupid mistakes, please. Right decisions only. If you want to enter the trade, ask yourself why you want to take this trade. If you can answer this question, perfect, enter the trade. Okay, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Wish you perfect end of the day, rest of the day. Yeah, guys. Bye.